All right, so we're going to find the volume of this rectangular prism. And volume of a rectangular prism is length times width times height. We've got 3 different numbers. They all have decimals, so this is going to take a bit of time. I'm going to go ahead and start with the 4 times 2 times 3 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Placeholder 0. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 4 is 12. And I'll add those. Carry that 1. I do have 2 numbers behind the decimal, so I'll have 2 numbers behind the decimal here. Then I'm going to multiply that by our third dimension, which is going to be 4.5. 5 times 4 is going to be 20. Carry the 2. 5 times 4 is 20 plus the 2. Carry over the other 2. 3 times 5 is 15 plus the 2 is 17. Carry the 1. 5 times 1 is 5 plus the 1 is 6. Moving on, I'll put down a placeholder 0. 4 times 4 is 16. Carry the 1. 4 times 4 is 16 plus the 1 is 17. Carry the 1. 3 times 4 is 12 plus the 1 is 13 and carry the 1. 4 times 1 is 4 plus the 1 is 5. Adding those all together. And then I had 3 numbers behind the decimal, so I'll have 3 numbers behind the decimal here. And I have 60.48 centimeters cubed. And something I could look at just to check my answer is I could round these and check to see. If I were to round these numbers, 4.5 would round to about 5, 4.2 would round to about 4, 3.2 would round to about 3. 5 times 4 is 60 times 3, is 20 times 3 is going to be 60, which is pretty close to my answer, which is 60.48.